Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer BNB from Coinbase to Exmo in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this process is simpler than you might think, and I'll walk you through it step by step to help you avoid common pitfalls. By the end of this video, you'll have your BNB moved securely and efficiently. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Coinbase and Exmo. Log into your Coinbase account and navigate to your wallet. Find your BNB balance. That's the Binance coin we're working with. Before you proceed, double-check that you have enough BNB to cover any network fees, as these can vary based on blockchain congestion in 2025. Next, head over to your Exmo account. Go to the deposit section and select BNB. This will generate a unique wallet address for you. Copy this carefully, as it's crucial for the transfer. Remember, crypto addresses are case-sensitive, so don't make any typos. Now, back on Coinbase, select the withdraw option for BNB. Paste the Exmo wallet address into the recipient field, and enter the amount you want to transfer. Take a moment to review everything, the address, the amount, and any fees displayed. Once you're confident, hit confirm. You'll likely need to verify this with two-factor authentication for added security. After initiating the transfer, keep an eye on the transaction status. It might take a few minutes to a few hours, depending on the network. Once it's complete, check your Exmo balance to ensure everything arrived safely. Pro tip: always start with a small test transfer if you're unsure. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred BNB from Coinbase to Exmo. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.